Good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs. Welcome sa isa na namang video bus vlog. Ngayong araw na to, August 28, 29, 2024 here in Wellington, New Zealand. Gagamitin natin bus ngayon ay si bus number 5729 with registration plate number NJZ 987, which will expire on January 1, 2017, 2025. Okay, check natin gilid ng bus. Check na natin yung mga circuit, all damage. One is all damage, and we're good. School signs. Okay, all good. All damage. All damage. Okay. Tires are all well inflated. Check natin sa loob. It's all good. That's all for today's vlog. Paalam.